This is my upcoming project here. And for some reason, I can't keep the bike running. I basically replaced the plugs, the fuel pump, the injectors, there's compression, but it won't stay running. So I'm just kind of working on getting this going. Can't wait. Super excited. It's one of my favorites. One of them, my favorite bikes. I know it's an older one, but it's all right. My dad had one of these brand new back in 2003. Same exact color, blue and white with the white wheels. So a little nostalgia piece for me, you know. So my goal is to get it, somewhat perfect. I'm gonna replace this. I gotta replace this because when I bought it, I don't know what's going on with this, but so I bought a new one. Got this one I'm gonna put on there. I picked it up from it was like hour and a half, almost 2 hours away from my home. Picked it up. The guy said it was rideable. I can make it home perfectly fine. Not going to have any issues. Like, cool, let me go pick it up. So we drive all the way over to pick it up, get it. And now I did know, I will say I did know there was, he said a sputtering issue, but he said it was drivable, but it won't go over, I believe, 65, 70. I was like, okay, well, that's fine. That's, traffic speeds or whatever. At least I'll be able to make it. Right, whatever. Picked it up, take off. Man, that thing won't go over 45. So I'm like, dang. So it just sputters. It just won't go. But I'll give you a demonstration on what I mean here. So everything's good. I do have it on a battery tender, but it's not a charging issue. This phone will stay. As you can see what I'm saying, it's not wanting to crank up or stay on at this point. But I got what I think it is I don't know. I'm not a professional, but eventually I'm going to go to school to really know all the ins and outs about these things. Because eventually I would like to open up my own shop because I guess mechanics where I'm at are scarce. All the shops are backed up. It's going to take forever for you to get your bike in the shop and get it back. So I would like to help out the community by, open up my own shop and, try to get some customers and make these things popular again. Because to me, I don't know, maybe I'm just looking at it differently, but the motorcycle community, especially sport bikes, they kind of dwindling away, in my opinion. Because I started riding way back in 2007 and been constantly riding. So I've seen a lot of things and been around people. Fortunate to still be here, but this will be my new project. And eventually I would like to get a 2021 or the new version Booses. So we'll see what happens. But I'll keep you guys up to date. But the other two parts coming in are the secondary throttle valve actuator. I believe that's acting up, and also have new coil packs. So once I get those installed, hopefully to fix it. If not, then we'll go from there.